Hello, I'm Kerry-Lou and welcome to Silver Style Studio. When I get older, losing my hair, many years from now, do. We all know that Beatles song, right? I was about 7 years old when I first started hearing that. And when I envisioned the person they were singing about, I thought of someone very, very old. And now I'm going to be 64 later on this month. Yes, me. I feel like the same person, of course, on the inside this body that's been carrying me around on this planet all these years. But we want our face to still project that youthful and vibrant person that we are on the inside, don't we? This makeup look says, this woman moves, she dances, she romances, she's kind, not just to other people, but to herself too. It's a makeup look that puts your best face forward. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I'll be mixing up the brands, but they all have this in common. They're easy to apply, no-nonsense packaging, and they're all makeup skincare hybrids. You won't even feel like you're wearing makeup. You will, however, feel like you've just applied some really nice skincare. I have some new items that Jones Road Beauty kindly sent over. Jones Road Beauty, as some of you may know, is Bobbi Brown's new makeup company. I'll be showing you a couple of items from this recently launched beauty brand. We'll also be playing with some makeup from Trinny London, which is a pretty recently launched beauty brand, especially to the US. And you know I love my Ilia Beauty, right? So we'll be playing with some makeup from Ilia Beauty also. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. We'll start with this tinted serum that Trinny London sent me over to try. I love this tube and pump. It gives you just the right amount, and I'm going to apply it with my fingers. I'm just going to dot it over my face. And I usually pay extra attention to those little pesky age spots and any other little imperfections. I'm actually going to take this right up to my lash line too, because it's so light textured, it's not going to crease under my eyes. And let's put some on my eyelids too. So as you see, not a lot of coverage. I wouldn't use this for a special occasion maybe, but definitely if I'm just running out and about and I don't want a lot of makeup. This is a no makeup look. So I can still see my lovely little age spot there and a little bit of rosacea. But Trinny does have another product that comes in a little pot. I'm going to show you that right now. This is from Trinny London and this is called Just a Touch. Make sure I have that right. And the color is Clara, K-L-A-R-A. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of the texture of a stick foundation, but maybe a little bit lighter in texture. So I'm just going to put this where I need it the most. I have a little bit of a sun discoloration area right here. You know, you can use it as a concealer also. Just pat, pat, pat. Take it right up to the lash line. Don't drag your eyes around. Just use that patting motion. And I'm also going to put some in these little hollows here. Actually, I'm going to use one of my brushes. I find that easier because you can get into these little hollows a lot easier with a brush. This is a nice flat brush and it works well to give a smooth finish to these areas. Some on this eye. You can take it right up to the brows, wherever you see some discoloration. Okay, so there's been a lot of buzz about Jones Road Beauty, and They sent me some of these miracle balms over for me to try, and they come in different colors. So let me show you some of the different colors. This one is that my Dusty Rose? Yes, this is Dusty Rose. We're going to be using that. We also have kind of a sun-kissed, oh, it's actually called sun-kissed. That's probably why they called it that. This is like, this is going to give you just a bit of a sunny glow. So let's dive right into it. I'm going to do half my face with Jones Road Beauty bronzer and cheek color. They are more skincare than they are makeup. Let me show you. See, I just put a dollop on my hand here. I'm going to smear it around a little bit. And you'll see that it kind of blends to almost nothing. It's just a tint. So let me show you how this looks on my face. I'm just going to put it in the areas where you would normally put, say, a bronzer. Oh my goodness. I just got my colors mixed up. I was just showing you, I meant to show you the tanner color, which is called Sun-Kissed, but I was in fact applying Dusty Rose all over my face. Oh well, I'm going to... Luckily, this brand is very forgiving, which is why those of you who are scared of makeup, don't be scared of makeup. You'll be fine with Jones Road Beauty. So, okay, now I really am going to use the bronzer one, this one. It's just in a different order than I expected. Sorry about that. So this really is the bronzer color. I'll put a little bit over here. I like to put it where the sun naturally hits in the summertime. And then we would put the rosier color on the apples of the cheeks. Sorry about that, folks. This brand is definitely idiot proof, which is good. Okay, so for the other side of the face, we're going to use these lovely Trinny London products that I have for you. One is a contour slash bronzer, more on the contour side, but it has a warm tone, so it's going to warm up my face also. Now I'm going to be a little bit more precise than I was with the Jones Road Beauty product, and that's because the color is a little bit more intense. You can't just like slap it anywhere because it's going to have an effect, and that effect is it's going to contour your cheekbones, which is what we like to do sometimes. So as I said, it's a bit more intense. I'm going to use my ring finger, and I'm going to start right by my hairline, by my ear. My finger's loaded up with product here, and I'm going to swoop down and around, making kind of like a nice curve under my cheekbone. You do not want to put this on your cheekbone, or you're going to flatten your cheekbones, and we're trying to emphasize them, right? So let me just blend this. I'm going to add a little bit more. Again, just using my fingertips. By all means, if you feel more comfortable using a brush, you can definitely use a brush. So let me show you the difference. That's the Jones Road side, and this is the Trinny London side. But to be fair to Jones Road Beauty, this product is not necessarily meant for sculpting. This is a quick, get out the door fast kind of product. They do have foundation pencils that you could also sculpt with. And I'm also going to dot some around my face so I can get a nice sunny glow. You can add a little here, firm up the jawline a bit. Make sure you blend that really well. So now I'm going to quickly add some of this cream blush by Trinny London. This color is a wonderful neutral pink. You can wear this if you're warm toned or if you have neutral tones, cool tones. It's universally wonderful. I like to pop up the apples of my cheeks, then I know where to apply it. So kind of give them a little pop, and you want to put it right there. So here's both sides of my face. The Jones Road Beauty side, the Trinny London side, and this of course is a lot more vibrant. So I'm actually going to show you the rest of this look on the other side of my room. Stay right there, I'll be back. It's simple. For the eyes, this is a brand that's new to me. I think they've been around for about 5 years. For those of you that love cruelty-free, clean makeup, and who doesn't, this is a great little product. It's a one and done eyeshadow. One sweep is all you need. Let me show you how I apply it. So this is the applicator. I always like to use one of my brushes also. So what I usually do is I will add a little dot close to my eyelashes and then work upwards with this, sweeping outwards to about, I would say about 2/3 up my lid. Now I'm going to just fluff it out, diffuse the edge. You can use your finger, here's how you use your finger, but I do prefer my brush. It's up to you. You don't have to do it just one way or how you see me applying makeup. You can do your own version of it, and I'm sure it will work out just fine. I was so excited when Jones Road Beauty sent me this old school style eyeliner pencil to try. So it has it's a wood pencil, which is what I like. I like to be able to sharpen my own pencils. However, it did not live up to my expectation. I applied it and a few hours later it was actually off my lash line and up here somewhere. So, sorry, that's not a winner for me. So for this video I shall continue to use my Ilia eyeliner pencil that stays all day. I'm just keeping it really close to the lash line to give a thicker illusion to my lashes. Just little dashes and dots. You don't have to be really clever at doing this. As long as you stay by the lash line, you'll be okay. Just smudge that with my finger. And here's a little tip for you people who make a bit of a mess out of mascara. If you're really messy, you can always take a tissue and swipe off some of the mascara first, although that's a little wasteful. What you can also do is hold the mascara wand in one place and just lower your lashes. So you're not doing this, which can sometimes splash up onto your upper lid. So I'm wiggling a little bit at the root of my lashes and then just close them. You see how easy that is? Less movement, less splashing. Wow, I can't believe those are my own lashes. This is my Ilia mascara. This is called Limitless Lash Mascara and I love it. I'm going to finish my brows with a little Ilia Brown mascara. This color is blonde. I know I don't have blonde eyebrows, but I don't like it looking too heavy. And I feel like this is enough to cover some of the gray hairs subtly. We are almost done. We're on the home stretch. I'm going to use one of my old beat up MAC lip pencils. This is half red, which is like the name suggests. It's not one of those reds that scream red. It's nice and subtle. I think you'll like it. Sometimes I like to use the edge of the pencil on the inside of the lip line That way it's not so much of a liner look. And I also soften the edge with my finger. That way we don't look like it's lip liner from the 90s. You know what I mean? That really dark liner. We don't want it to look like lip liner, but I do feel like I need the definition of a lip pencil, because as you get older, you probably know your lips tend to lose definition. Oh well. And because today's makeup look is makeup that feels as good as it looks, I'm going to use this Ilia lip color. It's kind of like lip balm. I know the color looks quite intense, but you wait till you see it on. It shears down. Look. Give it a little smush. It doesn't get much easier than that. So this is the final look. I think it looks much better with my hair done, don't you? Do you find your makeup routine getting simpler all the time? What are some of your favorite clean makeup brands? Let us know in the comments below. And here's to anyone sharing my birthday month. Here's to you, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!